Namaskar, welcome to Yoga by Devidatta. Today's video is yoga for menstrual problem. It might be anything related to your menstrual health. It might be irregular periods, excess of blood loss, issues during the menopause. Any issues related to menstrual health can be cured by practicing these two practices. The first is a mudra. It's known as the YONI mudra. For this, you take the tip of your index fingers and touch them to each other. You touch the tip of the thumb to each other and interlock your other three fingers. See that the index fingers are pointing down and thumbs are pointing upward. And you place this mudra towards your lower abdomen. And then close your eyes and just be aware of your breath. Either you can count the breathing or feel the breathing. If you want to do some deep breaths, if you're comfortable with that, do that. There is one more alternative to this mudra, the alternate way of doing this mudra. Instead of interlocking the fingers, you just touch the back of the fingers to each other and the position of the index finger and the thumb remains the same. The position of the mudra also remains the same. So this is the Yoni mudra, either this or by interlocking the fingers, whatever you feel comfortable. Practice this mudra for about 2 to 5 minutes. Slowly increase the duration of this mudra till about 10 minutes. The second practice is known as the SUPTA KONASANA. In this, you will be using the support of the pillows and the bricks. So first you do the BADDHA KONASANA, which is bringing the feet closer to each other and knees out. So turn. So just bring the feet closer to each other and the knees out. You're placing the pillows touching your lower back. You can also use a bolster. For those who don't have enough flexibility in the hips or to make this position relaxing, I would suggest use the bricks and place it at the side of your thigh. And now slowly start lying down on the back on the pillows. Keep your hands relaxed, palms facing upward. Close your eyes and just relax in this position. You can maintain this position for 5 to 10 minutes also. This position naturally helps you to bring the prana, the energy, towards your lower abdomen, towards all the organs, all the glands in your reproductive system, and thereby bringing a change or bringing a positive change in the reproductive system. So just close your eyes and be aware of the breath. See that you keep the abdomen relaxed, let it move up and down with your breath, and you can even practice a shavasana, a relaxation in this position. As I said earlier, maintain it for about 5 to 10 minutes. When you want to come out, again you take the support of your hands and then slowly sit up. So do practice these two practices. One is the mudra and this the asana, and let me know how do you feel. Thank you.